Hello, my cruising and travel fans. It's Rob here from Cruising on the High Seas and Travel. In today's food review, I will be going to Harvey's. Well, I am down here in the city of Toronto, Canada. So let's go on in and check on out what they have. I'll be getting that quarter pounder cheese bacon, as I had it before, and it was really good. So let's check on out and see how they did, and see if it changes location by location. As the last place I had it was in Mississauga, and I'm right now in Toronto. So let's give it a taste time, and I'll see you after the intros. Here's the intros. And thank you for staying for the intro. Once again, this is Rob here from Cruising on the High Seas and Travel. Like I mentioned in the introductions, I'll be going to Harvey's for a delicious burger, and this is what it looks like. It is their Angus quarter pounder with cheese and bacon, and I jam-packed this burger with amazing toppings from lettuce, tomatoes, pickles, a whole bunch of sauces, and many more. So it's very juicy and great. So let's give it a try and see how it is. It's messy. It's gonna be very messy, I'm telling you. Really, really good. Just as good as the last one. Of course, I got some pickles on the side. And of course, with a nice good root beer. It's so good. Each location is pretty much the exact same. So good. And it's cooked to perfection. So, it doesn't matter which location you go to, they all hold the same standard. But I'm gonna wrap up this quick video here for you all here today and finish this juicy burger. That's right. Very, very juicy. So, until next time, I'll see you out on the high seas and wherever else I can. Until then, bye for now.